Thank you, everyone. A real short speech here. Our beloved friend, Willie Ninja, to be quite honest, it's about 4 years since he's been gone. And, he's still in the room. Not many people in our lifetime we know that set out to do something and have a dream, and it actually manifests itself as the way it did for Willie. Willie basically was very important to the community, very important to his friends, very important to, you might say, fashion itself and how we think about things. So, for Willie, I thank you all very much.